Hello, everybody. Good evening. Hope all is well with you guys. I just got the Zagg Rugged Messenger. It's a wireless keyboard and a case. So I wanted to share and unbox for you guys. Let's do this. Okay, open. This is for the 9.7-inch iPad. Features are rugged case protection. So this part, multi-angled viewing, built-in magnetic stand, detachable case, 7-lit key, backlit key colors, 2-year battery life. All right. Multi-device pairing and toggling, wireless connectivity, laptop style typing, sleep wake function. Okay, so here it is, guys. This was originally $100, but when I went onto the Zagg site that particular day, there was a 25% off for students or whomever, or back to school. So it was off of everything, so I happened to get that. And these are the raised keyboard. It's an actual keyboard. This is really nice. It's like a dark gray color, so it's not black. And this is the actual case that's supposed to be protecting this whole thing and not allowing it. It better not crack anything. I'm gonna have a fight with Zagg. So yeah, let's see what happens when I try to pop this in. Okay, the case is the wrong way. I'm doing this one-handed because I don't know where my stand is. Okay, this fits perfectly. Yeah, this is the rose gold iPad. As you can see, it's rose gold. I got not too long ago. And apparently the new iPads, their screens are not that scratch resistant because the case that I had before it, the iPad that I had before it was more scratch resistant because somehow, some way, I don't know if I bought the iPad and I didn't check it well enough, but there was a scratch on here, like in the screen. So now I have to figure out how to situate that and get that together. But other than that, this is the case. This is what it looks like. It even has the part for the pen attachment. You want to attach your pen. And this literally is stuck. Like, it has a magnetic aspect to it, so now it stays right there. And when they said that they have multi-angled viewing, this is what it meant by multi-angled. You can adjust it this way, that way, and the third. And then all you gotta do is just prop your stuff up, and then you begin to do your work, and that's that. And that's my little unboxing of this Zagg product, the Zagg Rugged, the Zagg Rugged Messenger. That's what I was about to say, but I was like, stutter. Anyway, so this is Zagg Rugged Messenger and all the goody delicious things that you can do with it. And I guess at this point, all I would have to do, it comes with the quick start and just the manual, and also in this little pocket, I can get to it. Probably not right now because it's throwing shade, but I'm assuming that this right here, again doing this with one hand, is the charger. So it's the USB cord and all that good stuff, and with their logo on it. Good stuff, Zagg. All right, and I think that's it. So hope you guys have enjoyed the little unboxing video, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you more soon enough. Alrighty.